What's up, my guys? I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing well too. Asti bichama chai I got a bit sick. Alikati biram bate. अहिले चाहिँ I'm fine. So as always, as open it was not intended that much, but then I ended up making another video. Okay, this is one of a interesting topic that I ever got to know, got to learn. It's about tunneling. HTTP tunneling गर्न लागेको आज चाहिँ. The tool name is itself Ngrok. I don't know how you pronounce Ngrok or Ngrok. I do pronounce as Ngrok होइन. What does this mean भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ, say right now something is on my local host 5173 मा, let's see, 5173 मा something is there on my local host running right now, but then HTTPS अनि त्यसपछि specific domain मा route गर्नको लागि चाहिँ you need to deploy production mode मा नि त. So instead of going into production and then deploying and everything, you can just expose your local host. Let's see how we can do that. I'll do from scratch because on this system maybe I have not set up. Oh, I need to have authenticate your account. Give me just a sec. I'm recording the video from my phone right now. अनि त्यो कारणले चाहिँ त्यो 2FA को हाल्नको लागि I had to close the video for once, but not a problem. I already did it. So once you log in, यस्तो देखिन्छ. अनि you can utilize like SDK पनि छ, agents हरू पनि छ. I don't use SDK. अहिलेसम्म मैले युज पनि गरेको छैन. I use agents. Then yeah, अहिले चाहिँ WSL भित्र गर्नुको कारणले चाहिँ let's use Linux for now. अनि let's see. Yeah, sudo install गरिदेऊ. It's gonna take a bit of time. त्यति बेरसम्म चाहिँ let's see what's यहाँनिर चाहिँ you have your authentication token, your endpoints. What this means is like बिस्तारै you need to go like production mode मा नै भन्यो भने पनि build गरिसकेपछि production mode मा जानु पर्यो भने you can assign a specific your domain. त्यो चाहिँ pay मा आउँछ होला. Right now free domain मा चाहिँ मिल्दैन रहेछ. It's okay. You can do a lot of things with this. Okay, today we're just gonna do it very fast. So यसले मेरो दिएको अनुसार मैले त्यो गरेँ. म टोकन पनि एड गरौँ so that it's just single line that you can do. Okay, अनि deploy your app online. There you go. Simple thing. As you can see right here, मैले चाहिँ Vite को application चलाइरहेको छु नि त. So 5173 मा छ port चाहिँ. So let's say 5173 यसरी पुरै लेख्न नि पर्दैन. You can specify कुन domain को चाहिँ you are trying to reroute, but then port मात्रै गर्यो भने नि it's easy. So let's see. Oh, sorry. अहिले मेरो अर्को सेसन यतापट्टि my Ming open web headquarters को सर्भर पनि त्यसरी नै टनल गरेर राखेको छु क्या. So let me close that because free version मा चाहिँ 2 consecutive agents हरू on राख्न मिल्दैन. Alright, we're good to go. So 5173 गरिसकेपछि it gave me this HTTPS वाला link हैन. And now by copying this you can open it anywhere. You can send it to your friend or you can check yourself. अहिले हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ it looks like bit slow, but then it's good for servers, front end applications like भन्दा पनि, because you saw it gave me a bit सम्म त्यो you're about to visit Ngrok को site हरू के भनेर. It's good for servers. मैले नि सर्भरलाई नै युज गर्छु. Mainly यो चाहिँ hackathons हरूमा युज गरिरहेको हुन्छ. अनि it has a lot of purposes these days, load balancing हरूदेखि लिएर everything you can do it. Okay, you try and let me know if there is any problem on your site. And with this I sign out for today. Bye bye guys.